Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Rider for $1.5 million Skybox ticket revealed as Bazaar tickets went on sale on Tuesday evening. Now the ticket rider, which has gone viral, breaks down the much talked about elevated cabana suite for $10,000 which is equivalent to 1.5 million Jamaican dollars. According to the rider released via event organizer Solid Agency, the 1.5 million package comes with 12 Ultra VIP tickets, 12 Bazaar weekend tickets, car park access, expedited entry, security and access to executive bathroom. Now, E-Prime reached out to promoter Ryan Burke, who shared on the ticket sales so far and cleared up rumors surrounding the prices.
So as promised, we went live last night, I think at about 10:30 Central Standard Time. And the response was crazy. It was insane. Thousands of tickets sold in like the first hour. No, I think it was just a miscommunication, and it's going to happen, especially with a show of this magnitude. But we fixed it, cleared it up. We want to let you guys, like I said, in our initial interview, there's a price point for everybody.
Burke also shared that the R&B superstar is excited to perform in Jamaica.
So Chris is getting prepared for this production that we're about to put together here in Jamaica. So he was in there with his production manager rehearsing, and his crew and his choreographer. So he's amped.
Chris Brown and Friends in Concert is a part of the newly introduced Bazaar Weekend set for this August in Jamaica. Now, Popcorn celebrates birthday shooting music video with rapper 5 Foreign. Last night, the Unruly Boss was spotted on set of his video shoot with the New York rapper 5 Foreign. Now, the two collaborated on the track while in Europe last week. Popcorn rang in his birthday at midnight with his friends and the rapper. The two alerted their fans to look out for the collab. Sumfest's 30th anniversary celebrations off to a great start in Montego Bay. The week of events kick-started Sunday at the Community Fest, a family fun day, where Montego Bay native dancehall artist TVJ gave patrons a taste of his drift performance set for Festival Night 1 this Friday. Then to the street dance, all white and other well-supported events. Now on Thursday night, dancehall lovers are amped up and ready for the Global Sound Clash, which sees last year's winners Bass Odyssey defending their title against other top sound systems, Code Red, Dynamo, Jamworks and Echo One Sound. Now it sets the tone for Sumfest Festival nights on Friday and Saturday. Can't wait for the weekend. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.